On the Google Classroom, I've posted two links. Number one is the cube perspective game that I was showing you last week. You can go home, click on it, and play the game. Okay? So that's the cube perspective game. Now, then there's another one that is here. This is another game, but this one is more challenging. What it does is this. It's also here. So I'll show you how it looks like, okay? So you can go back, click on the link on the Google Classroom. It will bring you to the challenge. The cube perspective game previously I already showed it to you. Actually, can I have attention, please? I didn't arrange for any classroom, so you don't have to do anything now. Now, I shared two links on Google Class. Number one is the cube perspective game that I showed you last week in class. You go home and play by clicking on it. Then this one is another one. It's also like a game, but this one is more challenging. Take a look at it now. See? Okay? So this is the game challenge. There are 10 puzzles here. You can try it with your cubes. And hope to help you. Now, the challenge is this. You need to build a building with the three views shown below. From the views, you'll try to make the correct building. If you get it right, you get 5 points. If you use as few cubes as possible you can get the highest score of 10 points per question. Click on the grid to make the cubes appear. Click and hold to remove. Drag to rotate. So the arrow here points you the front view. So the front view is this one. Then this is the top view and the view from the right. Click on here. Let's say like this, like this, like this. And then here. 1, 2, 3. From the top, do you think this is correct? Correct? The top is correct. The top from the front. Correct? The top is correct. Okay, then from the front view, is it correct? No. From the right view? Also not correct. So by right, I should have a few more. Let's say I add here. From front view, right? Is this correct? Still not correct. I need another layer. Okay. Another one on top. Like this. Okay. Now is the front view correct? I turn to right. Is it correct? No. So I need two layers. Well, but do I need to set all? Actually, I don't need. Is this okay? Is it okay? Huh? So is the top view still correct? From the top view must be viewed from the front, remember? Correct? Yep. Right, front, right. Okay? Let's check how many points we're going to get. We use 12 cubes. Check. That's my score. Score is on top. Wait. The piece of full screen. Okay. My work. Check. Q. Oops, fail. Yeah, I just start over. Okay, but you get the idea of how to do this, right? You go ahead and try on your own, okay? Or if Wednesday you've got extra time with the computer, then we can this. Okay? Okay, so this is our Google Classroom. I'm back to this worksheet now. I think most of you are already like doing it. This is quite easy, agree? Yeah. And some of you are thinking that trick you already picked up already. So that's a quick recap. If you see the okay, can I just ask a quick question? How is this page different from the first page? Thank you very much. Who said that? Good, good look. This one is on the units is different. So pay particular action because if you write the wrong units, you get minus mark. Okay, so from here, my trick is I write two layers, I write 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then I see this is two layers. I see from the layer upwards. So it's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 18 cubic centimeters. Then the one that's more complex, like for example, this one. Okay. All right. So two layers. 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Two layers, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is my trick to count. I look at the number of layers. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 layers. 4, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 4, 12. So that's my trick. But this one is cubic centimeter. This page. See? Is it all cubic centimeter? Did I miss out anything? That's correct. Okay. Then we move on already, the next stage. Then you remember we did the tank that I told you? I brought in my handmade tanks. My handmade tanks, right? Do I need to count cube by cube? No need. So I'm going to do the shortcut method. Length, breadth, height. It is three cubes long, 3 cubes wide, and 3 cubes tall. By meter cubes, huh? So the unit is cubic meters. So the answer will be 3 times 3 times 3 is meters, meters, meters. Meter times meter times meter. So meter with a little 3 of course. So 37. Okay, this one is the one exactly the same, right? The one that I got you to do. Okay, how about this one? Do you need to count layer by cube by cube, layer by layer? No. Everybody wants to get a hang on it. It's difficult. Yeah. So I don't need to count layer by layer. I just need to see how long, how wide, and how tall. The length, breadth, height, length, breadth, height. Is it okay? Okay, right? So if this type of question come in exam, you confident can solve it. Yeah, it's really the easiest. The length, the breadth, the height. How long, how wide, how tall? I don't need to count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 meters long times 2 meters wide times 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 meters tall. How long, how wide, how tall? Length, breadth, height. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. 48. Easy? Easy, right? But honestly, in exam time, if you suddenly forget the formula, then count one by one, you also get it correct. Okay, this one, can, right? How long, how wide, how tall? How long, how wide, how tall? Length, breadth, height. I've highlighted all my length, breadth, height. Do you? If you didn't highlight your length, breadth, height, do it now. I highlight the length, breadth on the bottom. I choose to highlight the length, breadth from the bottom and the height as this. There's a reason for this. It's not wrong if you want to highlight the top of the keyboard. But I prefer not to do that because there's a reason for it. Anybody want to get? I said, it's not wrong if I say I want to highlight the top. Here, this is also length, but how long the keyboard is. This is also how wide the keyboard is, the yellow color that I'm highlighting now. It's not wrong to highlight this also. But I decide to choose to highlight from the bottom. Wait, Angel first, Angel, yes? So that I don't need to turn my paper on. Okay, yeah, Jared? So it's less confusing. Both of you are right. Okay, but there's also one very, 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 very important. Yes. Yeah. So it's not confusing. You won't count wrongly, and you don't need to turn the paper. It starts from the bottom. Actually, there's an even more important reason. Because later on, right? Later on, you realize that water cannot float in the air. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, water cannot float in the air. You have realized that it will be easier to see from the bottom of the tank than upwards. Okay, so that's the reason. Now, may I ask of you two homework? Simple one. On page 147, I want you to highlight left, right, height. No need to solve. Just highlight. Can do it now. Okay? I want to see length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height. Is it okay? Okay. Ethan, what's the homework?